All right, so today we're going to talk about area of a segment. So area of segment is that shaded region, that red region is what we're trying to find. But first to do that, we have to find the area of this whole sector that I'm putting in green. Okay, remember the area of a sector formula is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Well, our theta would be 120 in this case. Okay. 3 squared gives me 9. Okay, 9 times 120 gives you 1080. Okay, and we're going to do decimals for this, so we're going to times it by pi, and then divide it by 360, and you get 9.4. So the area of that green region is 9.4. Okay, then what we have to do is we have to find the area of this triangle that's right here. Okay, to do that, we need the height and the base. So to find the height and the base, we have to split this into two triangles. Okay, to find the height, okay, we always are going to use the same trig function. It's going to be the cosine of 60 equals the height over your radius, which is 3. That's going to work for all of these. Every single problem you're going to do that for. Okay, so we're going to times it by 3. So you get 3 times the cosine of 60 equals h. So 60 cosine times 3 gives me an h of 1.5. So now we know our height. To find the base, okay, it's the same thing, but this time instead of cosine, you can do the sine of that degree. So sine of 60 equals the base over 3. Same thing, multiplied by 3 on both sides. So 3 times the sine of 60 is my base. 60 sine times 3, rounding to one decimal place, so my base is 2.6. But that base is this piece here. And notice you have two of them. So the entire base would be 5.2. So we're going to find the area of the triangle, so it's 1/2 base times height. Remember the base is 5.2. It's both bases combined. The height is 1.5. So 1.5 times 5.2 gives you 7.8. Divided by 2 is 3.9. Now, to find the area of that red region, what you're going to do is you're going to take the area from the green, the segment, or the sector, and subtract it from the triangle from it. And you get an area to be 5.5. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Okay, same thing. Okay, first I got to find the area of the whole sector. So area is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. So my theta is 97 in this case. My radius is 8. So 8 squared gives me 64. We're going to multiply 97 times 64. You get 6208. Okay, and again, we're doing decimals, one decimal place, so we're going to times it by pi, and divide by 360. You get 54.2. Now, in this one, when I do the triangle, I already have a base, so I don't need to find the base. So the only thing I need to find is the height. In order to find the height, we use the cosine, but we have to split that angle in half. 7 divided by 2 gives me an angle of 48.5. So the cosine of 48.5 is equal to the height over your radius, which is 8 in this case, multiplied by 8 on both sides. So 8 times the cosine, 48.5. 5.3. So there's my height. So we can find the area of the triangle. Again, we know the base. The base, they tell me, is 12. So it's 12 times my height, which is 5.3. So it's 1/2 of 63.6, which divided by 2 gives you 31.8. Okay, and remember to find the area of the red. You're going to take the area of the sector and minus the area of the triangle from it. Get 22.8.